Welcome. This video is provided by Scopus, formerly Shooters Technology. In this video, we will walk through setting up the pre-configured networking equipment needed for your Athena for Club's range. This setup is only for the Club version and does not apply to at-home users. Please note that there are two versions of the Network Manager for Clubs. The larger one, as shown, is the ML510G50, designed for larger clubs. However, in this video, we will use the smaller CL210G11, for demonstration purposes. From the provided equipment, we'll need the following. The OnLogic Network Manager, with the supplied power cable. Short Ethernet cables. The Ubiquity Wireless Access Point, with the supplied Power over Ethernet injector. The long Ethernet cable, not shown. And the Ubiquity Edge Router X, with the supplied power cable. Remove the Edge Router X from the packaging. Attach the supplied power cable to an available outlet and into the back of the Edge router. Once power is detected, the power LED will light up. Allow the system a few minutes to fully boot. From your internet service provider, or existing internet-facing wired network, connect the Ethernet cable from your provider, or uplink, to the ETH0 port, which is labeled uplink. The ETH0, or uplink LED will begin to illuminate or flicker. Using one of the smaller Ethernet cables, plug one end into the Edge router's port labeled Access Point 1. The other end of the Ethernet cable plugs into the Power over Ethernet adapter's port labeled LAN, which stands for Local Area Network. Plug the Power over Ethernet injector into an available outlet. When the Power over Ethernet injector detects power, the LED will illuminate as shown. The illuminated LED means the injector is ready to power the access point. Using the longer Ethernet cable, plug one end into the Power over Ethernet injector's port labeled, in red, PoE, or Power over Ethernet. The other end will plug into the access point. Once the access point is plugged into power, the LED ring in the center of the dish will illuminate to indicate power is being supplied to the device. Allow a few minutes for the access point to boot. Once ready, your range's SSID, or wireless network name, will be discoverable and ready for devices to connect. Plug the supplied power cable from the Network Manager to an available outlet. Then, plug the other end off the power supply into the Network Manager's power port. Once plugged in, press the power button on the front of the device to power the Network Manager on. The LED will illuminate, showing the system is booting. Allow the Network Manager about 5 minutes before the system fully boots. Using one of the smaller Ethernet cables, plug one end into either available Ethernet port on the Network Manager, and the other end to the port labeled Network Manager on the Edge router device. With the Network Manager powered on, you will notice the indicator LED on the Edge router for the Network Manager port, indicating the Ethernet connection is active. At this point, we have completed the setup of your range's Athena network. You should now see your range's wireless network name appear and can connect using the supplied password. If you run into any challenges, please visit our documentation and contact information on our website.